Hi everyone, I'm from Regrop.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Rajat Boulevard project. The project is exactly situated on Pulin Kachchik Road. This way goes to many important places like Tangra, Science City and also Sealdah. And this way leads to EM Bypass and Dhapa Market. Now we are inside the project and this is the front view of the building. The project consists of a single tower having G+9 floors. The project has configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Now we are moving towards the driveway. This project is spread over 0.66 acres of land and consists of 54 units in total. This is the side view of the tower. And now we are going to see one of the apartment of Rajat Boulevard. Here is the apartment of around 2052 square feet area. And this is the living and dining area which also has a balcony attached. This is the bedroom with an attached washroom. And this is the kitchen area. And here we have another bedroom. And this is the common washroom. This space is designed as cupboard area or can be used as utility space. This is another bedroom. This is the final bedroom with an attached washroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.